First look the Xiaomi Mi 11, Xiaomi's first Snapdragon 888 powered phone. Okay, don't waste your time, first open the box and look phone. Box front side mini box here, mini box front side Mi logo. Okay, let's look mini box inside contents. Front side SIM card pin and more, some paper workers and free case here. Good news, Xiaomi give you free case. I like it. Camera cutout look like ugly but okay, it's free case so not bad. Let's look more main box inside. Mobile phone here. See guys, this phone color, I really love this color, light blue color. Do you like guys? Look camera bump, I didn't like but okay, my feeling. What is your opinion? Phone backside tripe camera setup here. Main camera 108 MP, big lens good, later I'm share some photo sample and camera quality. Phone bottom side SIM card port and Type-C port and speaker here, no headphone, bad news, no headphone jack. Phone top side also speaker here, dual speaker phone bottom and top side. Okay, first finish the phone setup, and look phone hardware, and safeware. Okay, first look phone side by side overview. First look phone display. Display come 6.7 inches 2K display, with HDR panel. Xiaomi first 2K display quality is good. Hardware and safeware. Phone running on Android 11 based on MIUI 12.5. It's new but mostly all are same. Guys, you want MIUI 12.5 review? Comment now, I make video for you. Let's look phone. Base model 8GB RAM and 128GB STO. Phone come with Snapdragon 865 and 144Hz display refresh rate. Snapdragon 865, it's new but now new Snapdragon 865 Plus, mostly everyone Snapdragon 888, it's not bad now, yeah, day working good. Let's look camera. Camera vice, this phone come with main camera 108 MP and 13 MP, secondary last 15 MP. Main camera only big high, up to support 120x digital zoom, really best, quality also good. Soon I make new camera test.